Ano ba to guys? Ano ba tong pinasok ko? Bakit ba ako nag-vlog? Ayoko na. Day 3, ayoko. Mahirap-hirap mag-edit. Araw-araw kailangan may 15 minutes. Ang dami ko pang ibang ginagawa. Tapos kakain pa ako. Tapos tabingi pa yung camera. Vlog 003. Ina-edit ko pa nga yung Vlog 002 kagabi. Tapos Vlog 003, ito pa rin yung suot ko. Tapos halos wala rin akong tulog. Ano ba ito? Tapos marami pa akong... Tama na. Masyado lang siguro guys kasi minsan kapag nadadala tayo ng ating emosyon, ay nagde-decide tayo or nagko-conclude or gumagawa ng action plan na hindi naman pala realistic. So ngayon lang, sa true lang tayo, no? Hindi realistic yung one video a day. Kung magkaroon man, baka hindi quality. Maybe 3 minutes. 3-minute video a day. Pwede. Ayun. Tapos 15-minute video. Oo, yung 15-minute video kasi for 1 week na yun. Yun yung a-upload natin. One vlog per week lang. Tapos every day is the snippets lang. 'Di ba? I'm eating brown rice and century tuna calamansi. Sobrang sarap. Habang saya ko lang sa ganitong food lang. Brown rice. So ano yung wisdom dito na ako na-realize? Do not be swayed too much by your emotion. Kahit pa ano yan, positive emotion. Kailangan maging realistic, smart goals, ano ba yun? Specific, measurable, attainable, tama ba attainable? Realistic and time-bound, tama ba? Wow! Sa pagsaset ng goals, and kapag kasi masyado tayong nagiging emotional, is na naapektuhan yung mga ganong bagay. Okay yun, maging emotional in lugar. Especially kapag nag-acting ka, kaya mo maging emotional ka. Pero everyday life is there's no time to be emotional talaga. Sobrang mapag-iiwanan tayo. Kailangan let's go. Kailangan tough, kailangan strong. Yun, no? So, okay. Ano pa ba? Wala eh. Boils down talaga. Ba to, nag-electric pa na naman. Sabi ko, di ba, i-off ko. Yan na, naka-back camera na nga ako eh. Kaya, siguro naman mas malinaw. Or, ano guys, it all boils down to kung ano talaga yung pinapagawa sa atin ng ating dear Lord na huwag talaga tumingin sa iba. Focus ka lang sa goal. Focus. Ano lang. Ituon ang paningin sa biyayang darating. Oo, ang hirap eh. Ang daming distractions. Pero sa isa lang sa the one lang talaga tayo dapat. Everything else will follow. Hindi naman ibig sabihin mga sinasabi ko to is talagang na-apply ko siya every moment of my life. Kasi nasasabi ko lang naman to kapag may camera. Dahil kapag kasi syempre we're only human but di pa rin eh. Kailangan talaga strong ang yung faith. Ano naman to? Diba? Give God glory. So wala na ano, so every time magvi-video ako and every time sa lahat ng gagawin ko, hindi na maiiba yun. Give God glory lang. Hindi ko man sabihin sa camera, pero dapat yun, andun ako sa wavelength na yun. Na what I'm doing, what I'm being right now is I'm giving God glory. And everything else, pinapaubaya ko na sa kanya. Siya na ang bahala. So, kakain pa ulit ako. So, kung saan man ako dalhin nito, let's go. Let's go. What I know is that I am going to give God glory. Okay, gitna lang natin. And all right. Let's go. Lighting, position, and look. And vlog 003. Vlog 003. Noise reduction. Vlog 003. So bakit ganon? Wala akong script, wala akong anything because I just need to reach a certain state. And that state, alam niyo dati hindi ko binabanggit yung word na God or Lord sa aking mga vlogs. Because I keep it personal and I keep it only on the premises of the church, of my congregation. Pero right now, that would be the difference. That would be the main difference of our vlogs now compared to our vlogs before. Kasi kung mabanggit ko man siya, very subtle lang, I am not really vocal about it. But from now on, yun ang pinaka-focus. Gusto ko yung lahat ng sasabihin ko by the grace of God. Ayoko na ng paligoy-ligoy pa. I want to be straightforward and I want to give the message of give God's message to the world because that is my purpose. I've been a member of Iglesia ni Cristo since birth. until now, 28 years and 6 months. And it has been my life. Ngayon, ngayong araw na to, September 20, October na pala, sorry. October. October 1. October 1 ba? October 2 is nagpunta ako sa fellowship ng Christian community. And from what I can say that their hearts are pure. I can say that their intentions to worship God are true. However, uh, as it is written in Matthew 7:20, 21, I'm not sure about the verse. But there's a verse that says, people will worship God with all their hearts, with all that they are. But God would not recognize them. God only recognizes His church, His true church, which is the Church of Christ, the Iglesia ni Cristo. And I have a purpose, that the reason why I was put there I don't want their praises and worship to the Lord be na hindi sila mapansin. Gusto ko silang dalhin sa tamang paglilingkod sa loob ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Dear Lord, please help me. I don't know how. If the means of getting there is really reaching top one of this company na nilagay sa akin, na pilit kong tinataboy, hindi ko gusto yung industry, pero dito ako nilalagay. And I just want to let God do His work through me. Maybe hindi na ako to talagang gagalaw sa mga following days, weeks, months, for the rest of my life. I just want God to please use me as His tool for His work. Dear Lord, sana matupad ko yung purpose ko. Sana magawa ko yung tungkulin ko. Sana wag akong magkulang. Hindi ko yung kayang gawin sa sarili ko. Dear Lord, kaya I have faith in you. You put me where I need to be. Please help me. Your will be done. Thank you, Lord. Salamat po. Purihin ka. Salamat.